Hi everyone, it's Marcus from uTu here with a quick overview of a Bot Anatomy 101, giving you an opinionated perspective on the pieces that should make up a bot. The learning objectives for today or for this session is to kind of define what the NLP, AI, and listeners are. Then in context, how do they come together to form a bot? I'm going to use some visual keys to help kind of aid recognition for children of the 80s. Here's the robot Voltron, formed by these 5 cats that come together and form the greater robot. I think there's a visual cue in terms of thinking about your own bot that it's got very much a personality and can be taken and applied to a lot of different situations, and that you want to be thinking about your bot as this own little functional entity. And it really starts with one of the core pieces of your bot is the AI. So here, a reference to Good Will Hunting. They talk about the formation of language arising out of the need to accomplish a very specific goal. So when we talk about AI in context of the bot, it is about that idea of what is the intent, what is the main goal that's being pursued. To start a little example or analogy is, let's say, for example, I needed to go purchase some milk, buy some milk. That is the main goal that I'd be trying to achieve. How that then gets accomplished, talking about natural language processing, here we have a homage to Turing and talking about his code breaking. If I know the outcome, I can find a variety of different ways to find the route to that. So using, again, the milk example, how as a user could possibly express that desire, trying to achieve that. I got to go pick up some milk, grab some milk, order some milk. There's lots of ways that could be expressed. So with the natural language processing component is, what are the different routes that we can use to kind of connect the outcome that we're targeting. But then the other part that starts setting your bot apart is your bot is not isolated to a specific channel, such as Alexa or Slack or Facebook Messenger. The idea is, once you've put in the heavy lifting to kind of build out your AI and your NLP components, you want to be able to connect that to as many different channels of your user engagement as possible. So here, another movie, Lucy, with Scarlett Johansson, she becomes connected to the grid. So she's, kind of all sentient, but she can apply her personality to different places. Again, that's kind of a model or a target for your bot. So bringing those pieces together, the AI, the NLP, and the listener kind of connect. This is where you start really separating, I think, between like building a website or building an app, is underpinning all of that with the conversational UI. This is really the spirit, the personality, the ghost in the machine, that the language that drives through kind of AI, the NLP, through all of these, like the language component of each of these really separates this from building other forms of consumer engagement. All right, so that was a quick overview of a Bot 101, talking about the pieces that go into that. If you want more, come join us at betterbots.utu.ai or come directly to our site. Thanks.